Hello Leo, welcome to my channel. This is your career business money reading from 12th of October to 18th October. So hopefully Leo will have some awesome stuff here. Being a general reading, not all messages might resonate with you, so keep whatever resonates. This is based on your sun, moon and Venus rising, so could check those videos as well. Messages could resonate, Leo. So let's start, Leo. Just this flash. Sorry. I will do a small shuffle. Okay, Leo. So let's begin. Just pull out your cards first. Five of Swords. Okay, so I'll just pull out the cards first here. Nine of Wands. Ace of Wands. Three of Pentacles. The Hierophant. So Leo, great here. I feel there is a little conflict in, so there could be a little stress, stressful situation in your work or in your office or with your business partner or the people you work with in general. Somebody could be playing smart or doing politics. That is what I see here. But you are just looking. You will be just observing things. That is what I get. It makes you feel stressed. You will be in a stressful position. Maybe you will not get the cooperation that you were looking from your subordinates or the people you work with, and it is going to be a little stressful for you. So this you can end with, do not go and confront. That will make the situation worse. So what you need to do is to deal with diplomacy and tact. Situation will just resolve by itself. Do not do anything. Just hold on yourself. Hold your mental. You have to show mentally strong, and you just need to balance yourself. And you will see that with diplomacy and tact, this issue will just resolve by itself. Somebody will try to create or play smart in your work atmosphere. That is what. And but if you deal it with calm, in a calm way, things will get sorted out. Now this is like some Leo still wondering. You have been working hard, you have been putting lot of effort, but it's not showing results. So you are really worried. When are these things going to happen? When is success coming to you? That the success that you want, for yourself. This is what I get here. So this is like you are hurt, you are wounded, you are tired of a certain situation not changing, but you are facing it in a bold way. You are not giving up. That's what, defending yourself, putting in that situation here. But I tell you, with this Ace of Wands coming here, this is Nine of Wands with an Ace of Wands is Ten of Wands. To Ten of Wands is a completion. It's a new, this is your last. See, Nine of Wands with the Ace of Wands comes to 10. Now 10 is a completion card. So your stressful days, your painful, your sorrow are, for a few days more with this new project that you're working with a new idea. Maybe your thought, revitalized thoughts, the way you have been thinking, like you have, what happens when we go through difficult situations? We always into that mindset, like when are gonna things change, and it is like feeling. That is like we start thinking negative. All of us do. But we need to that time think positive, hold on to positivity so that we attract more positivity. So this something, if it is a change in the way you thinking, that will get you the completion and moving away from this cycle, or you will start a new project, creative project on a new creative job, or something to do with a new creative opportunity, a potential which you will nurture. It will grow and it will take you away from this Nine of Wands, this wandering, waiting situation here. This is what I see. It's not far away, Leo. Just hold on for some time. You are gonna see great days. Of course, things have changed for the better, I see here for some of you, and it's gonna change for the better. Three of Pentacles. So some of you Leos are working as a team. So you will in a team. So you will be getting cooperation from a team, from your team members, or you will be cooperative with them. That is what. Also, some of you will be enhancing your skills, not only working but working with enhanced skills. So you might take a class online, or you might join a course, or you might be studying something also, some of you, so that you enhance your work, so that you get better opportunities. This is for some of you here. Three of Pentacles also cards is about you could be selected as part of a team for a project, or you could find, if you are the one who is in charge of a project, you could find skilled people for yourself for this project or this job or this opportunity or your business, whatever you are, whatever resonates with your situation. This is what I get, Leo. The Hierophant card here. Hierophant card, again, seeking knowledge, gaining more knowledge, gaining wisdom. So be wise, be, spiritual seeking, spiritual growth is also that you needed. Not only skills, not only it's not only degrees and qualification and enhancing your skills. Spiritual growth, spiritual seeking will help you revitalize, take you in the correct direction, help you, with peace and peace of mind, new renewed energy. That is what I feel here with the Hierophant card coming. So you could be joining any community, either your community or some community which will make you feel better. Like that is what I feel here. Some traditional, some cultural practices that a community follows, you might be joining them, or yours could be. Also, some of you could bag a project with a prestigious company, or you could be working with a prestigious person, of a prestigious company. This is for some of you here. Also, this talks about some of you might get married or engaged. I mean, you will get the blessings of your parents or your community people. Like it could be that with the Hierophant card. Let me also tell you, the Hierophant card, if you do feel that you deserve a promotion, or you are waiting for your promotion and it's not been happening, or a step up, or a raise, speak to your person, speak to the person you report to. Your case will be heard, and the case, your file will be moved forward in this. When I see one Pentacle card here, so it's like some of you could get money or an appreciation for something that as a team you could win awards. As a team member you could be nominated for some award. So this is about success. So it could be a little monetary benefit. It could also be just an appreciation token. So it's like that. So this is what I get, Leo. Otherwise, whatever income you are getting, yes, some of you will definitely get. So you have one new beginnings card here. So it could be job, money. You could get new job, new interview. You could start your own business, your own enterprise. That is what I get here. So this is it. You will be good with your family. There is also travel for you, Leo, here. Travel related to work here, meeting lot of people. You have the Three of Pentacles, exchanging ideas, meetings, webinars, seminars. You will be attending, exchanging your ideas. That is what I feel here. So that, and there could be deals, collaborations between you and the other company, the other person of the other company. There is negotiations happening here. So this is what I get here. So this is it, Leo, for this week. If you do like my readings, so let me pull out an angel guidance, sorry. So this is, let us see what the angels have to guide you here. Battle of the Blues. Take steps towards positive change. So very nice, this one, see. Take steps towards positive change. So this is Battle of the Blue. Take one step and you will see that you are towards that success, towards the goal that you want to. So thank you, Leo, and stay blessed. See you in the next reading.